AI-generated flying car videos like these are blowing up on Instagram right now. This page has grown to 133,000 followers and is pulling hundreds of thousands to millions of views per post. We're talking 10.4, 10.9, and 11.8 million views. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in less than 5 minutes. So to get started, head over to ChatGPT and click Explore GPTs in the left sidebar. Search for Flying Car Generator and choose mine. Hit Start Chat, then click to start the generator. It's going to give you 10 scene options to choose from. You can pick a number, describe your own idea, or type more if you want fresh scenes. I'm going to go with number 8. The GPT will now give you 2 image prompts and 2 video prompts, perfect for these kinds of videos. So just copy the first image prompt and head over to OpenArt. The link's in the description. In OpenArt, go to Image, then Create Image. Click on Model and select Nano Banana 2. Paste your prompt in the prompt box, set the output to 9:16 and 2K, choose how many images you want, and hit Generate. Here's how mine came out. The detail, the lighting, the realism. It looks like someone actually photographed this thing. So just pick your favorite image and click Reference on the right side. Then go back to the GPT, copy the second image prompt, and paste it back into OpenArt. Keep your settings the same, drop down to 1 image, and hit Generate again. And while that's loading, let's make the first video. Hover over your first image and click Image to Video. Go back to the GPT and copy the video 1 prompt. Back in OpenArt, scroll up, click on Model, and choose Kling 3.0. Paste your prompt in the prompt box. Make sure the audio toggle is on. Set the output to 10 seconds in 1080p and hit Generate. For the second video, just wait for your second image to finish loading. Once it's done, click Image to Video, go back to the GPT, and copy the Video 2 prompt. Paste it into OpenArt. Keep your settings the same, and hit Generate one last time. And it's that simple. Just put the 2 clips together in your editing software, and you'll have a flying car video ready to go viral on Instagram. Here's another one I made using this method. So that's the full workflow. All the links you need are in the description. If you want to see what other viral AI niches I've found, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out. See you in the next one.